Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make something super yummy, super easy. So it tastes like a funnel cake but looks like a donut hole. So I don't know what we're gonna call it, but I made it the other day and it was so good. It was like I don't know, I had some leftover batter and I made these little guys and they were so good. I gobbled up the whole little plate that I made. And so today's Memorial Day. So along with my Memorial Day food, I want to have something, good to munch on. So you can use these for for brunch, for snacks. You even really use them for breakfast, to be honest. So without further ado, this is what you'll need for this recipe. This is half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is all-purpose flour. You can use whatever flour of your choice. I'm using unbleached flour here. This is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a half a cup of milk. You're also going to want to use some confectioner sugar if you want to use that on the end to kind of dress it up and sweeten it up a little bit more. That's up to you. And then, of course, you want to use some oil because we are going to deep fry these things. So pretty much just want to take it and just drop it in. You're going to cook fast. You're going to need to watch them and then just going to flip it. Cut off flat, but then they're going to puff up. You're going to want to drain these off, put them on a paper towel to drain off the excess liquid before you, I'm sorry, the excess oil before you serve them. This is the last step. Just a little confectioner sugar on it. And voila. There you have it. That's the end result. You won't be able to resist them. Obviously, I couldn't because there I am taking one. See you next time.